This is not a movie trailer. This is not a VFX studio demo.
Assassin! Assassin!
This is Kling 3.0, and this entire cinematic sequence was generated using AI. And today I'm going to show you the real workflow, step by step. Stay till the end, because I will also reveal how you can get early access to Kling 3.0, and I will share all the exact prompts I used in the description. AI video has looked impressive for a while now.
Go on now. This is the King's chambers.
And multi-shot storytelling simply does not work. That is why most AI videos still feel like experiments instead of films. Kling 3.0 was designed to fix exactly that. This is Higgsfield. Higgsfield is a creator-focused AI platform built specifically for professional video workflows. Kling 3.0 is now officially live on Higgsfield, and it is the most advanced AI video model currently available. Everything you are about to see is created inside this interface. Before we even touch Kling 3.0, there is one critical step most people skip: elements. Instead of letting the AI guess every frame, we first create consistent visual elements. Here, I am generating a main character, an opposing character, and a weapon. All image prompts I will leave in the document in the description. Think of these like actors and props in a real movie. Once created, these elements are reused across all shots to maintain identity and realism. This single step is one of the biggest reasons Kling 3.0 results look cinematic instead of random. Now we move inside Kling 3.0. Here's exactly what I do. Click Create Video. Select the model. Choose Kling 3.0. Next, I turn the sound on. Then I turn multi-shot on. I set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube, and I extend the duration so Kling has enough time to maintain cinematic continuity. You can see all the elements we created are now available and ready to be used inside the workflow. This is where Kling 3.0 separates itself from older AI video models. Now look at this section carefully. This is where the actual scene building happens. By default, you start with one shot. I click Add Shot, then I add another one, and another one. Here I am creating 4 shots in total. Each shot represents one scene in the sequence. Now, inside each shot, you will see an @ element option. This is where you decide which character or object appears in that scene. I will leave the complete prompts document in the description so you can download and use them. For example, in some shots I only add the main character, in some shots I add both characters, and in the action shot I also add the weapon. You only add the elements that are needed for that specific shot. This is what gives Kling precise control and prevents visual breaking. Once the shots and elements are set, Kling understands this as a structured cinematic sequence, not a random animation. Now when I click Generate, this is the type of output Kling 3.0 produces. Notice the camera movement, the character consistency, the weapon behavior, the pacing, the sound design.
You there. Go on now. This is the King's chambers. What are you?
I'm sorry.
This is multi-shot cinematic storytelling generated by AI.
Tell my brother. He must find the most important words a man can say.
not stitched together, not edited manually, generated as a structured sequence. This is the difference. Kling 3.0 is not about short viral clips. It is about control. It is about continuity. It is about turning AI video into something creators can actually use for storytelling, films, ads, and cinematic content. This is why creators are paying attention. And this is why Kling 3.0 is being talked about everywhere right now. And as promised, I have added the official links in the description to get early access to Kling 3.0, so go and explore Kling 3.0 yourself. You will also find a complete prompt document there, so you can recreate this workflow exactly. If you want more cinematic AI workflows like this, comment AI below and watch the next video on screen. This is only the beginning, and for live voice swap, watch the left video. For Kling 3.0 more information, watch the right one.